So this is a good gap down in the market. We were kind of expecting some more bit of a fall like we had done here. Looks like market is definitely looking for this level of 21,600 or somewhere. There might be some bounces currently. Okay, it would, as we were mentioning, that market is still on the. We had given a clear reason of why market is on the sell side. Okay, so there is possibility of 21,600 or whatever here. One bit of bounce and then maybe a downside we can see. If you notice, many stocks are like, see, take example, Reliance or Infosys or any of the stocks which you might be looking, like Indigo and all that, are still on the, let's see, like M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra, some of the stocks like Maruti, yeah, right. So they are still in the weak side. Now, where is market going to stop is Boston, because people feel that okay, this is a very good time to invest and all that. But if you notice, right from couple of days, we've been always been telling that market is sell on rise. Mahindra and Mahindra also same pattern I had shared and told that it is sell on the rise. ADOC also is exactly now heading towards this trend line which we had shared or mentioned earlier. We have to see how far this will support, or rather I feel that this could be a good support zone, 650 to 680 area, and then possibly we would look at. And SpiceJet also I have clearly mentioned the views. The other interesting part is that, okay, where is the money going? If you see, gold is also dipping, Bitcoin also is low, but if you see, dollar index is strong, right? Big players are investing in, this is the dollar index. Okay, you see, dollar index is keeping positive, right? USD INR, if you notice, has already broken this all-time high and gone above that. Okay, so having said that, we may see some bit of a bounce over here. I'm looking at 20 to 500 call. I will just wait for, of course, I'm not very comfortable to right away go for it, but for sure I might buy this above to 22 500 call above to 55 with a stop loss of 242 or 42. We may look at to 275 or 78 as a target. Okay, only if it crosses from the below. Right now it is trading at 239.40. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can please do ask. I am happy to share, but our view is very clear. We've been bearish from not now. If you notice, have a look at what do you call this, uh, what do you stock mojo or any screeners which you normally use. Stock, I don't think I use stock mojo. I think it is, if you see, have the FIs been buying? No. See, big players know there is something wrong, right? If you see, they have been in the selling side, correct? So why should we look at, and if you look at the data, FI data, derivative also, right, they are on the sell side. They are, see, where are the FIs? They are holding puts, right? Option chain, if you go through deep in the NSE and check the option chain data, they were bearish. Okay, and now, as I said, 255, 22 500 call, I might look to add, or I may look to start adding Nifty Bs. Okay, Nifty Bs and maybe bank Bs. Those are ETFs, right? These are good to slowly add now. Individual stocks, yes, you can look at, but this is collective. These are, it is much better and safer. Okay, so I am what I okay. So if you want to know more, see here for the current. See today, this is the tomorrow's expiry. We see some bit of support at 22,500 for today. Okay, that's why if you notice, this is the data. You see the option buyers and sellers. This is how they are trading up. Okay, and if you are looking to look at this data live, my uh, promo code, I will share you the promo code. This is 24th expiry. Let's look at 30th expiry, the month end. Where is the, here again support is at 22. It is building up right now, but definitely there is pressure. You see the data here. Okay, so you should definitely know how to use the data. Not just along with this data, you have to learn how to look at order flow, the big players data and all that. Okay, so if you see slowly this is moving up. Okay, slowly it has been moving up. Okay, from morning we've been on the put side. In fact, we had BTST 23,150 call and put. Okay, our investment somewhere around 280, and that is almost gone from let me show you BTST. Okay, this was the BTST. Buy both 23,150, 150 call and put. Okay, look at 23,150 call and put. What happened? Sorry. Let me add 150. Even if the call side was 0, I was still okay, because see the put. It closed at 250. Even the call side had closed at 220. So our investment was somewhere around 340 or something. High is 300. One side, sorry, not 340. 220 plus 220 is around 540. Okay. Our investment is 540, and the put side went 700 plus. So solid 100 points plus. If you notice, I'll share you our trades which we taken. Let me share what are the trades in the morning. Okay, we took bank nifty put. Okay, this was Friday. Let's go for today. So even on Saturday we give some kind of views of market and all that. We had a small discussion. So morning we were looking to, we took I think this put, let me check if Ashok Leyland put got activated. $170. 170 put. Okay. Yeah. From 7 it has gone to 10, and I think we also took another SBI put also 19.3. Target was 28, and then 22,700 put was the first one at 222, and I think it went 350 plus. 51,300 put was the second one, bank nifty, and then we had another put 22,550 put 236. High, this one was 270. I'll just show you. 550. And you do 550 put. If you see from 2 to 222, it went to 280. Okay. And now, what was the trade I said I'm looking? Look at this. 22,500 about 255. Right now trading at 266. See, you have to know when to take, entries. Most importantly. So we're looking at our trades because our entry is 255. So I'm planning to book partial. I'll wait for some time. Okay. No need to be hurry it. We also have bought Nifty base. Okay. So half we booked. Rest will keep our stop loss to break even. That's it. Will not bother what will happen to the market. Okay. 50 piece also we have bought because I'm planning to, as I told, I'm planning to. So the reason why I felt, I'll tell you, reversal. If you notice, this is forming a W pattern. Now, sorry, U cup and handle may form. This is my view. Okay, it may form like a cup, then handle. Okay, let us see. This is not formed. Please understand, it is not formed. It may form is my view. Okay, so we'll see that. Then we'll trade accordingly. I already shared the target. Okay. Don't expect too huge and then enjoy 267. All right. Half I will book at 270. Okay. Rest SL will see. So 272 is done as expected. Okay, we'll see how it goes. So 73, beautiful. Okay, 279. See, I have clearly told you this is like a cup and handle which may form. Okay, this is my view. Please, I'm not saying that market will go up. We are just education purpose. We have shared our view to 82. See, timing is important. Till this time, I was on the put side. Did you see any call here? No. Only now I went, and then if you see P put after this video, this is the call side first trade. So we done. I think I'm closing. I can. It's a good solid 30 points. Okay, so now let us see my view. What is that? I think, okay, see, HDFC is kind of taking its support at this level, to 740, but 680 also is possible. However, see, understand is a good time to invest. Any investment market is going up. They forget that you have to invest when it is down, not weak, down. This can be a correction. Could be a panic selling. You could tell many names for this. What matters is how much you invest. Now, if 50%, 30%, you can start investing of your capital. So 30%, when I say 30%, you have a capital now to invest, say about 20 lakhs. Or maybe, okay, take example 10 lakh. 30% of 10 lakhs is how much? Somewhere around 4 to 5 lakhs, right? 3 to 4 lakhs or 4 to 5 lakhs. 4.5 lakh, you can start investing for long term. Okay, we are getting all stocks at discount. No? You can buy Reliance, you can buy HDFC. My view is go for Reliance. Okay, you will make some decent profit, and good. So good. Uh, happy that Reliance is not falling. Eh? Reliance is not falling. Means I didn't follow what Reliance is my bet for this next 2 years. My bet on is on majorly on Reliance. This is my levels, for entry. Major level this is from as per me. This entire zone 135. If you remember, I had put this 2 weeks back. This level, not now, right? You see this? It's a strong buy level. Target you can expect 1700, 1800 also, but in the span of 3-4 years. Okay. So another 6 months to here. Decent 40-50% you'll returns you get in equity with nothing, doing nothing. Okay. 22,800. Okay, somebody wants 22,800. 200 points you want. Okay. Okay. I have told that it is like a cup and handle. I think he's not seeing the video, or so it should come here again, come down, and then maybe up. So Will it happen today? It's a million dollar question. But there has to be some reason to for it to happen. There's I know as per my data, so I don't see big buying happening. Okay. So let me add 22 uh 600, right? 100 call and put, because I think we can take the put. Maybe I'm just checking this call, right? This is put. Okay. 22 600 call. Okay. Oh, okay. 22 500, 22 600. So I'm looking at 22 600. Mm, call side as I'm holding. Okay. See, the spot is moving, but not the stock options. So that's the reason I mentioned book out of 22 150 call, or 22 5. Sorry, 22, which was the trade we shared. 22 500 call. Okay. 22 500 call. Okay. So let's see 22 600 put, how it is going. 22 600 call. So BTST I'm thinking, but tomorrow is expiry, so we don't want to take any risk. Uh, Good move going on. So 22 600 is still he's keen. He's been watching, and he wants to give a risk on the capital. Twenty-two 600 call. Okay. Not much of a movement. Market is stagnant, but definitely 22 500 good support has been taken. So long build up is coming up. Okay. Hmm. I'm still waiting now. I'm thinking, should I go for puts? Okay. But nothing at the moment. I don't see any trade. I'm just watching. So yeah. Okay. Still, I think there is no confirmed trade setup for me, except for the long which I'm holding. I'm only holding the longs for the moment. Uh, but market is slightly flattish. It is 780, 580 is cross 625 spot. Let's look at Bank Nifty. We'll have a clear picture. Uh, See the Bank Nifty spot. Eh, 52,000 has to. If 52,000 breaks, rather holds 52,400, I can look in the Bank Nifty. Okay, great. So 22,600 also I added now. Looking at this, okay, it is slightly risky, but it is okay. Okay, nice. See the way Bank B Nifty base low was 255, and there from there it has moved 2 rupees up. Hmm? It's a good move. Keep a watch on Bank Nifty. Nifty is holding 52,000. Great, excellent. No? Somehow managed. Bank Nifty is holding it. So we'll see how long it holds, and then I will decide whether they hold a BTST for tomorrow. Excellent. I'm looking at Bank Nifty. Let me see Bank Nifty call. Can I take? Look at this. What happened? 22,600 and 22,500. Good move. Uh, Look at 52,800, above 720 I will go for Bank Nifty. Okay, 52,700, sorry, 52, all above 724. 760, 86. So let us see if great. If it holds, then right now it is 728. Okay, let me add 728. Superb. See here, 728 crossed. So I'm going to add this call in Bank Nifty. Hmm. 728 I want. Above that, maybe for 5 minutes, if it holds that, I will look to go long. Okay, 728, 730. Yeah, 722 right now. Okay, I think no risk. So I have mentioned to trail SL after 740. Our entry is already done. SL already kept. If it works, it is okay. Otherwise, the stop loss, small stop loss will take. See, exactly at this level, it is bouncing down. Should we see here as my question? Okay, let us see. Hmm. Look at Bank Nifty. 52,000 is not sustained. If Bank Nifty sustains in 52,000, yes, and I'll think for longs. Right now, I'm not very comfortable in Bank Nifty long. Finish my Nifty longs, of course. Okay, I if you have any questions, please do ask any stocks. I will answer and will I don't see much of a movement at the moment. If you want, we'll wait and watch. And I don't think I'll hold any BTST.